Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I've decided to share with you two brief clips taken from a long video I've just recorded for my subscribers. One clip focuses on the bonds market in Germany and the other on the stock market in Germany, as Europe is in the news. I hope you like the clips. If you like further information about my servers, my website, please stay on after the clips end and I'll talk to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This past week we have seen the dollar weakening, precious metals strengthening, stock market rebounding and staying fairly firm, bonds possibly beginning to reverse, and I think these trends are likely to continue for the foreseeable future. And I've prepared here quite an array of charts. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar, and then bonds. That's the euro Schatz, the euro bond, euro Buxel, long yields continuous chart. I've got the UST bond. I've got gold, silver, high-grade copper, heating oil, gasoline, light crude, and stock markets, TSX, S&P 500, the Dow Transportation Average, the Dow Industrial Average, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the DAX. That's the Euro Schatz, that's the short-term notes, if you like, equivalent to the notes in the US, 2-year notes. I've got this, the daily going back to October 2007. There's a good structure here that I think needs one or two more pushes down under the blue line to basically put everything in place here nicely, with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 1, 2. It's down in a third. It's down in the third. That will have massive implications. Basically means it's going down to 102 in due course in the next several months. When we focus in on the very short term, you will see the same structure repeats in the various bonds, various maturities, and you can see here I'm taking this as A, that's B, that's C. We're not through with this structure. I mean, this is not a high confidence reading. This is very nice, looks like the right thing in the right place, but we need really a break under the blue line, clearing the floor here. That would really set the tone. And if you're interested in this bond, there's no rush unless you are really because of your work you have to work with it, you have to hedge, whatever, take sides. If you don't have any constraints here, I would just hang around, wait, because look what can happen. It comes down, it breaks this, it gives you this kind of move. That will be a golden opportunity, and then you have a whole run. And this is a gigantic move, will last for months. So you are not missing anything. There is plenty to do in other markets, but this is a market that could become highly attractive should we get this structure, and I think we are heading this way. Okay, that's the last chart. That's the DAX, the daily scale going back to the 9th of May. And the DAX is, although it is fairly strong in the last two sessions, we have seen it reversing nicely, and this we have a bullish structure here that appears to be on track. But I want to caution you that it is not a high confidence reading. Something could happen here that could send it back to retest 7,000. Let me show you how. We are working in a big triangle. We are now assuming that we have the triangle potentially behind us with the E nailing a bottom here, and we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, third up. We are now in a tiny fourth. As long as it stays around this level, that's fine. That this wave count is working. Sorry. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and up it goes towards 7,600. However, if you get 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at that point it comes down crushing through 7,300, that should make you stop and think hard, because that could turn into an A, that's a B, and it could come down breaking towards 7,000 to deliver the ABC, and that the E will end here. Now that's not all. It could be even more complex than that. It could be that we have here an A, it'll go up, give you the ABC, yeah, with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, will come down, crash through 7,200, but will not go down to 7,000. In fact, what it'll do, it'll continue the E in the form of a triangle. In the form of a triangle, not coming back to test this level, but it'll just oscillate in this zone until the triangle itself, the E, will turn into a triangle, and that will be done, and only then to run up. Now, that will obviously chew up a lot of time, and that doesn't sit right with other wave counts we are using for the major markets we are following, notably the US indices. So I don't think this is likely, but I think that this could happen. This could happen. So be careful if you are invested in the DAX or you are trading the futures. This could happen. But for now, the price action, as you can see, it is solidly above the 200 moving average, cleared also the 50 moving average. The whole thing here has no, in my opinion, no message, no big bearish message for now. If anything, it is at most just consolidating, but I do expect the DAX to continue much higher. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs 79 euro only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list, go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.